Zaar was developed back in 2013, and it was developed just like a lot of our products that we develop is a product request from the field. The problem that it fixed was a lot of the basic chemical companies wanted an oil in the mix. It just helped with the control of weeds, mainly for herbicides. What we've tried to do is make it simple to have a one solution, an oil and a water conditioner in the tank at the same time.
A major challenge that growers have today is managing complexity. And there's no area that is not more complex than adjuvant selection. We have multiple issues that adjuvants are expected to address. There are issues like water quality, there are issues like what kind of oil should I use, methylate seed oil or crop oil concentrate. There are issues like when do I need wetting and spreading. The purpose of Zaar is to combine as many of those adjuvant functions that we could into one useful product, one easy to use, easy to pour, easy to measure product. And by doing that, we take away the guesswork and the indecision that a grower would have when it comes to what adjuvant or combination of adjuvants I need to use. The purpose is to give that grower one stop with one product to address as many of those variables as they could.
The thing with adjuvants is it can go across many crops. It's not specific to one crop or any particular crop. It can be used from east to west, north to south on different crops. You can cotton, soybeans, corn. You can go on down the list. There's many of them, but there's no specific region that it could not be used.
One other thing to include with Zaar that makes it a value to the grower is its ability to mix with a variety of tank mix partners. It has been one of the more compatible of adjuvants that we've used in the past. I mean, the grower today has a multitude of choices when it comes to spray mixes, when it comes to demand of mixing and matching chemistry, and we've had an excellent history of compatibility of Zaar with a variety of products. One of the big reasons for that is the inclusion of an ingredient that functions as a compatibility agent. That material in itself accounts for a lot of the great performance we've had with mixing with various spray mix partners.
It's been on many acres. The feedback we're getting from the customers that have used it is it works. And it helps improve his weed control in the field, pure and simple. It does it by two different actions. Before the oil component, which helps with the deposition, in other words, getting the product down in there. It lessens the evaporation of the water. And then the other step in that is conditioning the water to improve the pH of that water, or if it's hard water that they're using, it can tie up those ions in there to make sure that it's going to work properly in the field, and it helps with the control. So two different modes of action there.